I don't come again, Gidigba. I tell una say for this Nnamdi Kanu matter, I go still start and finish well. And until Nnamdi Kanu will serve justice, me, I no go back down for this case. If they like me, other content creators, no they speak about Nnamdi Kanu. I know send their father. But me, as I dare so, I can't for head as if Nnamdi Kanu na my papa. I can't for head as if Nnamdi Kanu na my elder brother. This matter, I can't for head. Nnamdi Kanu lawyer now come cross-examine the witness wey Nigerian government put forth make come testify against Nnamdi Kanu. But before I go further, make una hear the man talk. The man talk say in dey among those who interrogated Nnamdi Kanu when they kidnapped and adopted him from Kenya to Nigeria on the 17th of July 2021. That means Nnamdi Kanu now has been in detention close to about 4 years now, and nothing productive has come out from the investigation. I have realized something now. It is good when you get better defense lawyer wey fit defend you well on cases like this, because the kind of question that Kanu Agabi asked the witness, at a point in time he became confused. Let's start. Number one, Kanu Agabi asked the witness, he said, why the DSS, look at the question, the word he used, why the DSS kept Nnamdi Kanu in solitary confinement? Make I break the English down. He said, why they keep Nnamdi Kanu inside one big room? No television, no access to call people outside, only in those days at that house. Even to see outside na problem. Why is it that DSS has to keep Nnamdi Kanu in such a situation? Then the man said, God forbid. He said DSS is not a wicked organization. That DSS cannot be cruel, satanic, evil, without conscience and mind to kill somebody like that. That DSS do not, and DSS has never ever treated anybody like that. I call them laugh. As well as they deceive for this country, DSS will know. Said they are not like that, that they are good institution, good organization, that DSS is not wicked. DSS is the lover of the people. That when DSS arrests you, they take care of you properly. They give you anything you need in their custody. That Nnamdi Kanu was never kept in solitary confinement. Then Kanu Agabi asked, say, are you sure? Say, I'm sure. Are you sure? Say, I'm sure. It's okay. Continue. Number two question. He said, did the witness know that the long detention of Nnamdi Kanu has affected him psychologically? He can't say, he said, my God, say, he don't understand though, because he's not familiar with the long history of Nnamdi Kanu detention. Now I call the laugh. It is the same you, at the beginning of this particular sitting, you said, you are one of those who actually interrogated him about 4 years ago. Now you are trying to say that you are not familiar with the long detention of Nnamdi Kanu. How long will they detain Nnamdi Kanu before you know that it's so long? You see those people? When they talk, you don't know when they make mistake. Now I say, you need to get an experienced lawyer. We're going to fight your case when you get victory. The son, Kanu Agabi, he can't ask the victims one logical question. He said, do you know now that Nnamdi Kanu easily get angry, frustrated, and unhappy as a result of the long detention and the psychological trauma you don't give up? He can't say, he no get idea about that one, no. But all he needs to say, let me say, on the 17th of July 2021, when the thief Nnamdi Kanu entered Nigeria from Kenya, when they interrogate Nnamdi Kanu was not like that. I call it say he don't expose himself because he cannot say yes. Because all Nigerians know, even the president Tinubu also know that Nnamdi Kanu now they get angry unnecessarily because psychologically they don't get affected. If they tell me say you don't know, you see them, they don't catch them. I told you, get experienced lawyer. If you want to win your case in this country, get experienced lawyer. He can't go further to ask one question. He said, you as the witness, why is it that you people in DSS and the federal government just keep changing the charges against Nnamdi Kanu unnecessarily? The guy say no get idea, or he no know why they change the case. So he say no know why they change the charges against Nnamdi Kanu. You see, they don't catch and there again. And the thing I say, this Kanu Agabi, he will expose DSS and the federal government wickedness against Nnamdi Kanu. He can't go further to ask one question. Say you, as the weakness of DSS and the federal government, are you aware that the Southwest governor then get Amotekun? The guy can't look up, he can't think. But I mean, talk from me lie. He can't look up, he can't say yes, he no say then get Amotekun. He can't go further to answer that question. He said, when the Southwest governor created Amotekun, do the Attorney General of the Federation then, which is Melamu or Malamu, what they call him, that criminal man, he can't say, do the Attorney General wrote DSS to investigate the Southwest governor on why they actually set up Amotekun? He said he is not privy to such an information and document. You see, when educated person won't lie, they speak big English. Preview. He said he no get the knowledge, he no get idea, he no know. Maybe the Attorney General write DSS to investigate why the Yoruba governor set up Amotekun. You know what Kanu Agabi is trying to do there? He's trying to tell them in that court of law, if the governors in the southwest can set up a security outfit to protect their people, so also Nnamdi Kanu has a right also to protect his people. So now the federal government don't lay itself down again. They don't expose themselves in this regard. Kanu Agabi contacted Justice Omotosho that please, we want you to adjourn the sitting to a later date because there's a very important document we want to retrieve from the Nigerian police force that will help Nnamdi Kanu get justice in this matter that they fight. Now, so the prosecuting counsel can stand up. I will look and say, objection, my lord, that there's no need for them because what Nnamdi Kanu law is trying to do is to delay trial. Because this case has been on for more than 10 years now. That Kanu and his legal team, they are trying to delay this trial because they know that they cannot get justice. I call they laugh. I still told you that they cannot get justice. He said, no, they have to do this case now when they finish am. Now the judge can say, we have heard you, but we have to adjourn this case because when you want to get justice, you must try to get every information that is needed so that your case can be convincing, because any judgment we're going to pass here must be passed based on reasonable conviction what we don't get. So therefore, I overrule your stand that we cannot grant adjournment. So he can grant adjournment that the next sitting date is going to be on the 21st and 22nd of this same month. However, they can't bring another paper again, which is death certificate of Ghulam, Ahmed Ghulam. They can't say Nnamdi Kanu naik by the man. Nnamdi Kanu in broadcast naik by the man because on the 30th of May 2021, when the man came to Imo State for some political rally here and there, now that place they buy the man. Say it was as a result of Nnamdi Kanu broadcast that they should be sitting at home on Mondays and this. I can ask myself this question. The federal government and the legal team of Nigerian government and that weakness, all of them is sick. They know where. They know where. They get high fever. How will you say that it was the broadcast that actually made the man unalive? That case, what made the man unalive, which they know about, is political crisis then. There was a political imbroglio. That was what led to that man unaliving, allegedly. However, the judge admitted that as also as an evidence because Nnamdi Kanu did not object because they know, see, when they ask them question, they cannot answer the question properly. They leave there. They say, who could leave them when they put their paper? Their paper is baseless. After all, they don't bring plenty paper, they knock them out one by one. Now, so the proceeding go that day. So, by the grace of God, next sitting is going to be on the 21st and 22nd of this month. All I'm going to say is like, the government had no case against Nnamdi Kanu. It's just a pity and a shame that our government led by Tinubu can stoop so low to the point of deciding that they want to have a case against Nnamdi Kanu again. I have thought before now that our president will have common sense to do the needful. But however, they say common sense is not common. That is the singular fact. But I am saying, I remain here for now. I will take time, they analyze them, how things they go day by day. So make sure not forget to subscribe, to like, and to constantly share my videos so many people go have access to the proper information with regards to Nnamdi Kanu. Many people no go carry this case because Nnamdi Kanu na Igbo man, but me, I say I carry am for head like government property. Anyhow, I'll see you guys soon.